So, good morning, everyone. Yesterday, we just completed our chapter 5 algebraic expressions, and we also started the revision of chapter 1 for the midterm exams. Okay, in that, I told you some theory to revise you so that you can remember everything you have studied in chapter 1. And we just did one question as practice question, in which you have to find the additive inverse and multiplicative inverse of given integer. So today we will do some more practice questions. So question number 2 is solve followings. You have to solve given sums. Sums means you can see addition is there, subtraction is there, multiplication and division. Four operations basic which you have studied in chapter 1 for integers. We will solve these questions. So minus 9 plus 8. Yes, very good. It will be minus 1 because yesterday I told you whenever the signs are opposite, the numbers get subtracted. So 9 minus 1 will be 1. And since the number which is bigger is having negative sign, minus 9 is there, so it will be minus 1. Very good. Minus 3 and minus 7. So what about this? Yes, students, very good. You have to give reply when I am solving these questions. So you can see both the signs are same now. Both the signs are same. So whenever the signs are same, we have to add. So 7 plus 3 will be 10. And in the addition and subtraction, we will write the sign of bigger number. So bigger number is 7 and it is negative, so it will be minus 10. Okay. C part you have to do yourself. You have to do yourself in classwork. D part 18 divided by minus 6. So you can see it is division, and division may whenever the signs are opposite, 18 is plus and 6 is minus, then minus sign will come in the answer, and just divide 18 by 6, it will be 3, so it will be minus 3. Yes, other students also reply. Every student has to reply me you have studied this chapter, and if you want to revise it, then you have to try these questions yourself. Then E part minus 72 divided by minus 3. You can see again division is there and both integers are having same signs, so the answer will be positive. And if we divide 72 by 3, the answer will be 24. It will be 24. Yes, very good students. F part you have to do yourself. You will do it yourself. 180 minus 14, you can see it is simple subtraction. But if we see according to the integers, then it will be 180 minus 14. Both are having different opposite signs. 180 is positive, 14 is negative, so they will get subtracted. So if we subtract 14 from 180, then it will be 166. And sign will come of bigger number. The bigger number is 180, it is positive, so it will be plus 166. This plus you do not have to mention in the answer. I am writing for your purpose. Okay. Then H, you can see again bracket is there. First of all, open the bracket. To open the bracket, we have to multiply this plus sign with this minus sign. So plus will be multiplied with minus, opposite signs get multiplied, then it will be negative. It will not 40 beta, it will be minus 40. The sign comes of bigger number, na? Yes. So you can see now both are having same signs, so they will get added, so it will be 40 when I will add them. And the number which is bigger, that is 21, is having negative sign, so it will be minus 40. Fine. Now I part, you can see multiplication is there. What is the rule for multiplication? Whenever the numbers signs are opposite, then minus sign will become in answer, and you have to multiply now 103 with 4, so it will be 412, not 142, it will be 412. Okay, don't be confused so much, don't be in hurry. ठीक है, बिल्कुल करेक्शन से एक्यूरेसी से कीजिए क्वेश्चंस, जल्दी करने से मतलब नहीं है. ठीक है, स्पीड भी रखिए अपनी, बट keep your accuracy perfect. Okay, now J and K part you have to do yourself. Then L part 4 minus minus 82. Some students get confused because of this negative sign. They get subtracted, both of them. They subtract 4 from 82. They just see 82 is negative, 4 is positive, they will get subtracted. But first of all, you have to open this bracket. Whenever bracket is there, first of all, you will have to open the bracket. Then 4 minus and minus will get multiplied and they give plus sign. 82 will be there. Now you can see simple addition is there, so 86 will be the answer. Plus 86, no minus sign is there. यहाँ देखिए no minus sign is present here in the simplest form, so 86 will be the answer. Plus 86. M part you have to do yourself. N part, yesterday I just showed you a note. What is that note? मैंने आपको बोला था whenever we will do practice questions, I will tell you about that note. So the note is, see here, for multiplication of integers, if we multiply integers more than two integers, okay, it is for more than two integers, और two integers होते हैं तब भी apply होता है. If number of minus signs is even, मैं क्या कह रही हूँ, number of minus signs, जितने भी minus sign present है, if their numbers are even, numbers मतलब ये नहीं कि जो integer है वो even हो, नहीं, हमें count करने हैं how many negative signs are there present in the multiplication. If the number is even, then in the answer plus sign will come, and if the number is odd, then in the answer negative sign will come. Now see these questions. With the help of this, if more than two integers or many more integers are given to you, you just have to count the number of negative signs and you can put the sign directly. ठीक है? Then minus 5 into 6 into minus 7 into 4, you can see two negative signs are there. Just count negative signs, 1 and 2. Two negative signs are there, so 2 is even number, so answer will be positive. ओके वैसे भी आप देखिए इस माइनस को इस माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे देन इट विल बी प्लस. यहाँ सिर्फ 4 ही इंटीजर्स दिए हुए हैं, इसलिए इसमें इतना ज़्यादा टाइम कंज्यूम नहीं होगा आपका. लेकिन अगर आपको मान लीजिए 10, 11, 12 इस तरीके से इंटीजर्स दिए जाते हैं तो उनके आप नेगेटिव साइंस काउंट करके डायरेक्ट ही साइन आंसर में साइन लिख सकते हैं. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई देम. इफ यू विल मल्टीप्लाई देम, 5 into 6 will be 30 into 7 into 4 will be 28. So you have to multiply 30 with 28. Okay, it is positive. 30 into 28 will be 840. What it will be? Plus 840. Okay, so you can see two negative signs are present there. You just not have to see the integer which is having negative sign. You can see 5 and 7 both are odd. तो आपको ये नहीं देखना है कि जो इंटीजर नेगेटिव है वो ऑड है या इवन है. नो, वी हैव टू जस्ट काउंट द नंबर ऑफ नेगेटिव साइंस. वो नंबर अगर इवन है तो प्लस साइन आएगा और वो नंबर अगर नेगेटिव है तो माइनस साइन आएगा. देन दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू डू योरसेल्फ. दिस क्वेश्चन अगेन you have to do yourself. Q, 14 into minus 7 into minus 2 into minus 1. You can see three negative signs are here. Just count negative signs 1, 2 and 3. And 3 is the odd number, so in the answer minus sign will come. Okay, now I have put the sign. अब sign के लिए confuse होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So 14, 7 2s are 14. This 14 I am written as it is, and 7 2s are 14. उस 14 को 1 से multiply करेंगे, it will be again 14, and 14 into 14 will be negative 196. Okay, so the answer will be negative 196. Now see the R part. Here you can see addition and subtraction both are given together. So what you have to do in this, you have to just open the bracket first of all. Just open the bracket. So to open the bracket you have to multiply these given signs. So 121 I am writing as it is. Plus sign will get multiplied with this minus sign because I have to open this bracket. So plus minus will be minus 21 as it is and minus 19. Now you can see 121 minus 21. 121 minus 21 is 100. If we subtract 21 from 121 it will be 100. Minus 19 as it is and it will be 81. Positive because the number which is bigger is having plus sign, so it will be plus 81. Okay students, very good, you all know right answers. बस आप लोगों को साइंस में कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है, साइन में आप लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. ओके, so this was question number 2 in which we just did all operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now move to the third question. What is third question? Fill in the blanks. You have to just fill the blanks. You can see 6 parts are there in this question. So what you have to do, you just have to fill these blanks. So you can see you have to identify the property and then you can write the correct answer. Okay, minus 7 plus 13, two integers are getting added, plus sign is between there. Now minus 17 blank plus minus 17, what does it mean? It means in the left side minus 17 is at the first place, but in the right side it is at the second place, means I have changed the order. And whenever we change the order, it is called commutative property. So in the commutative property we have to change the order of both the integers. So 13 is at the second place, in the answer it will be come at first place. Yes, very good, 13 is the answer. So second question you have to do yourself. Okay, C part. C part answer is already written here, 15 into minus 6. This is the commutative property for multiplication. I have just interchanged the order of the integers. 51 is this first place, here it is at second place. Minus 6 it as second place, but in the right side it is at first place. So this is the for in the A part it is the commutative property for addition, and in the C part it is commutative property for multiplication. It's very easy. Now D part. In the D part you can see three integers are given. किस में होते हैं थ्री इंटीजर्स? इन एसोसिएटिव एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव बोथ प्रॉपर्टीज. सो डोंट बी कंफ्यूज्ड, मैंने कल भी आपको बताया था, इफ द प्रॉपर्टी इज एसोसिएटिव देयर विल बी ओनली वन ऑपरेशन, एंड इफ टू ऑपरेशंस आर देयर टुगेदर इन विद थ्री इंटीजर्स देन इट विल बी distributive property. You can see multiplication and addition both are there. So first of all 203 will get multiplied with minus 72, so it will be 203. Yes, very good students, you have written the answer. Then 203 will get multiplied with 22, so 203 into 22, so this will be the answer. Very good. E part. E part mein you can see again three integers are given there, but only one operation is there, plus, that is associative property. So in associative property we have to just change the grouping of integers. So you can see in the left side I have grouped second and third integer, and in the first or in the right side I have grouped just first and second integer. So what will be the third answer? 5. 5 is left now. So 5 will come in this blank. It is associative property. F part you have to do yourself. Yes, answer is correct. F part you have to do yourself. Now question number 4. What you have to do in the question number 4? Simplify using distributive property. You have to simplify these given two parts with using distributive property. Yesterday I told you distributive property can come in the two ways. दो तरीकों से आपको मिल सकती है. The first is one bracket is given and you have to open it and convert it into two brackets, and second the other is two brackets are given, open form is given and you have to merge them and you have to make only one bracket. So अगर इस फॉर्म में दी हुई हो तो इस तरीके से आप सॉल्व करेंगे, एंड अगर इस फॉर्म में दी हुई हो तो इस तरीके से सॉल्व करेंगे. Yes Himanshu, what happened? Why are you writing 12 again and again? So now -18 इंटू -3 प्लस -18 इंटू -70, आपको क्लियरली यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी यू हैव टू यूज हेयर. सो इट इज इन द फॉर्म p इंटू q प्लस p इंटू r. yes, p into q plus p into r. You can see p into q plus p into r. In this form it is given to you. Then you can easily solve it. What does its value? Its value is p into q plus r. Yesterday I told you in the distributive property. So -18 is p, -3 is q, -17 is r. Just put the values. P into q plus r. P means -18 into, close the bracket, q plus r. Q is -3 plus r is -17. This will be the value. And from here you can also see -18 and multiplication sign is common in both the terms. इस टर्म में और इस टर्म में -18 इंटीजर और उसके साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन दोनों ही कॉमन है, दोनों में आ रहे हैं ना. तो -18 और इंटू तो मैंने बाहर निकाल लिया साइन. अंदर क्या क्या बचा? फर्स्ट टर्म में देखिए ओनली -3 इज देयर, तो -3 को लिख दिया, प्लस साइन बिटवीन देम, प्लस साइन लगा दिया, एंड देन in the second term -17 is left, so I have written -17 here. So first of all you have to solve this bracket. Now you can see both are having same sign, 3 and 17 both are having same sign, they will get added. So if we add them it will be 20, but the number which is bigger is having negative sign, so it will be -20. You can put sign bracket over there. So again you can see multiplication sign hai and both are having same signs, so the answer will be positive, and 18 2s are 36, 0 will come as it is. So plus 360 will be the answer for that. Okay, I hope आप सभी को ये इजी क्वेश्चन है अच्छे से समझ में आ रहे होंगे. Now the B part is 9 into 16 plus 4. Again it is given in the form of P into Q plus R. Yes, one bracket is given to you, मतलब merged form दी हुई है आपको, you have to convert it in two brackets. So what is the value of P into Q plus R? Its value is P into Q plus P into R. Put brackets. Okay, so just put the value P into Q. P is -9 into Q is 16, bracket close, plus P into R. P is -9 into R is 4. यहाँ से भी आप देख सकते हैं in the distributive property, if I want to open this bracket, then -9 will get multiplied with the first integer, then -9 into 16, plus sign is between them, plus sign will be there, and -9 will get multiplied with second integer, so -9 into 4. Now solve them. 16 9s are 144, because it is positive it is negative, so it will be minus sign, plus 9 4s are 36, again it will be minus sign. Now you can see again both are having same sign, so they will get added. So the answer will be 144 plus 36 will be 180, and because the number which is bigger is negative, so it will be -180. So now 5 question. Sum of two integers is -92. If one integer is 39, find the other. What is given in the question? टू इंटीजर्स हैं जिनका सम यानी कि एडिशन, आंसर कितना है -92. तो टू इंटीजर्स हैं जिनका एडिशन हमें दिया हुआ है -92. ओके, सो वन इंटीजर इज गिवन. इफ वन इंटीजर इज 39, one integer is what? 39. Then find the other. Find the other integer. Okay, other integer, let it be x. So let the other integer be x. Okay, then this will be the equation. सम ऑफ टू इंटीजर्स इज -92. टू इंटीजर्स दिए हुए हैं आपको, उनका एडिशन का आंसर है -92. इट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. वन इंटीजर इज 39, एक इंटीजर 39 दिया हुआ है, दूसरा इंटीजर फाइंड करना है. सो व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस टू फाइंड? जस्ट कीप एक्स हेयर एज इट इज एंड -92 is in the right side. Shift this 39 to the right side. It is positive here. When we shift its side, then it will be -39. Okay, so the answer will be -131, because both are having same signs, so they will get added. 131 will be their addition, and because the number which is given bigger is having negative sign, so the answer will be -131. I think it's very simple. Okay, so the other integer will be -131. This is the question number 5. Now move to question number 6. The product of two integers is -504. Product means multiplication. So multiplication of two integers is given what? -504. I will write first integer here and second integer here. Their multiplications are given -504. If one of the integers is -8, one integer is given -8, then find the other integer. So let the other integer be x, then what will be the equation? Other integer I am writing here at the first place, so x into -8 is -504 will be the equation. We have to find the value of x, keep it here as it is. In the right hand side you can see -504 is there. This -18 will go to the right side. Here in the left side it is in multiplication, but in the right side it will be gone in the division. Why? बिकॉज आप देख सकते हैं बेटा, ये माइनस साइन नहीं देखना है, दोनों के बीच में ऑपरेशन आपको मल्टीप्लीकेशन दिया हुआ है। ऐसा नहीं यहाँ पे माइनस है तो अदर साइड जाके प्लस हो जाएगा, नो। ये माइनस साइन आपको इस इंटीजर के साथ दिया हुआ है, ये ऑपरेशन नहीं है, ऑपरेशन है मल्टीप्लीकेशन का। तो मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑपरेशन को जब भी हम दूसरी साइड में शिफ्ट करते हैं तो वो डिवीजन में चला जाता है। सो यू कैन सी हेयर बोथ आर हैविंग सेम साइन। तो डिवीजन में जब भी साइन सेम होता है तो प्लस साइन आता है, प्लस साइन हम मेंशन नहीं करते हैं जनरली। So if I divide 504 with 8, the answer will be 63. So the other integer will be 63. Okay. Next, 7th. What should be divided by -12? -12 से हम क्या डिवाइड करें? Divided by -12, -12 से कुछ हमें यहाँ ऊपर डिवाइड करना है to obtain -15. Answer should be -15. Okay. So what should be divided by -12 to obtain -15? So let the number be x, then let x should be divided by -12 to get -15. Okay. X should be divided by -12 to get -15. Divided by means -12 is given divisor. Okay. So we have to find the value of x is equals to -15 is as it is here, and you can see -12 is in the division. डिवीजन ऑपरेशन को जब हम दूसरी साइड शिफ्ट करते हैं तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चेंज हो जाता है। -12 यहाँ जाकर के मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, तो इट विल बी -15 इंटू -12. If you will multiply 15 with 12, it will be 180, and because both are having same sign, the answer will be positive. So the integer, other integer, the number which we are finding is 180. Okay students, so these was some practice questions for the revision of chapter 1 in the midterm syllabus. I hope you all have understood them. Please revise them at home also. Other questions भी revise कीजिए अपने जो book में आपको दिए हुए हैं. Today's class is over now. Tomorrow we will start, or in the next class we will take the revision of chapter 2 fractions and decimals. आपके पास 4 days है, means in the next class आपको चैप्टर 2 जो है वो प्रिपेयर करके आना है, सब कुछ उसमें पढ़ के आना है। मैं आपको रिवाइज करवाऊंगी और इसी तरीके से जिस तरीके से आपने आज आंसर दिए हैं उसी तरीके से आंसर देने आपको। ओके, थैंक यू।